Why are there two Hanzos?
I wanna play Hanzo. I wanna play Hanzo. Where's Hanzo? Hanzo!
Hanzo.
Hanzo.
What could go wrong with this team comp? Nothing.
I guess we're doing it. I guess I'll...
Wait, half Genji, half Hanzo. Half Genji, half Hanzo.
Wait.
Oh.
Half Genji, half Hanzo. For a challenge. We don't have a healer, do we?
No.
I am taking the objective. Join me.
Join me.
Join
Why
me.
are we doing so well?
I don't know.
Brother, how dare you? What do you think you are?
I am claiming the
Throwing things at me? Are you serious? Mom? Die! Dude, our entire team's still up. Bye, Dad. I mean, brother.
Yo.
See ya.
Hello.
Hi. No. Lol, it froze me right before I ulted.
Got him! I got the point! I got the point!
Get it! Get it! My boy!
Oh shit! Come on, come on.
I'm so afraid.
Oh my god, nice.
No. Where is he? Left side, right side? Fuck!
Oh my god!
Oh.
Holy
Oh
shit!
my god!
I like how his name is Bullet Holes.
I know, me too.
Oh. Goodbye, son?
Bye.
Oh.
Oh. Bye, Tansi.
I got, like, most of the deflags. Look, he has 9 health!
I
And the
know.
fucking Reinhardt got in my way. I'm so mad.
Payload secured. Move out.
Ooh, they've got a Bastion. I see you there, Bastion.
Justice reigns from above. Payload is approaching its destination. Victory.
Thanks, Runal. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes!
I know.
Play of
Yay!
Yeah.
Lifesaver.
Let's...
Yeah, you probably saved my life too many times.
It's high noon.
Ow. Really? This is my
Oh!
game?
Oh!
Okay, I'm
Hanzo.
sorry.
I'm gonna be... Well, I was gonna be
Are we
Hanzo.
all Hanzo?
Fuck you!
Oh, well,
I was Hanzo first.
I was
I'm gonna
Hanzo
headshot
first.
more.
I'm the real Hanzo.
Just because you're good at Hanzo doesn't mean you're the real Hanzo.
I'm not even good at Hanzo.
Fire's will.
Are we winning? Despite my fault.
I think so. Oh, did my ultimate actually come in handy?
No, 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 no!
Ah, she died by my body mines!
We got it!
She
Oh my
got my
God.
body mines! Whew.
Escort the payload.
I'm just gonna chill and just escort the payload for right now, because I know what happens when I get too eager. I die. I die bad. Yay!
Me, get your moist taint over here.
Nice.
Yes. I love how we're all up there. I'm so proud of us.
Who voted for me? I didn't vote for me. I voted for you.
I voted, my spirit voted for you.
Thank you.
But I physically voted for me.